I see the whitewater mob, but I'm not sure. I don't know if I really see or not.
There's some people up there, it looks like.
I can't see that well.
I'm zoomed in, it looks like they're wading through it.
I was just wondering if the ocean's going over that thing yet.
Can't see it. So those are rocks exposed there? Dunes are gone?
The dunes were gone even last night.
Yeah, I figure.
Yeah. Actually, even yesterday in the daytime.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
All gone.
Yeah, I saw a pretty nasty picture of it all the way up to the houses, breaking against the houses.
Really? I believe.
Yeah.
Wow.